Brokoto.
Oh,
This one a lesson for those of you now. I beg if you want to talk, excuse yourself, go toilet.
Because of rice.
No, but somehow, thank God say he no excuse himself.
The man has not expose him.
Yes.
You for finish me that day.
Hey!
But again,
Ofelo
like,
eto.
it gets at first. You know,
Gulale.
but at first, for we Nigerians, I don't understand when they say date. They say dates just to know the person first, establish something before.
That's in
una move on.
Nigeria.
But
That goes to
Nigerian
cutting.
own,
From dating to cutting.
You understand?
Nigerian own, they just feel say every girl where they street once you don't buy chicken for, buy meat pie for.
Oh, yeah,
the
nah.
next thing na inside house.
Recharge card. They talk to kids.
Why?
Oh, that is skirt or blouse.
But I hate when you ask man recharge card. I hate
No,
that.
no, that's no.
BIS subscription.
You downgrade yourself. No, you down
The
to
guy
me.
send you know collect.
That's
Why?
different.
If it's sent to me, they're different. I don't ask,
you,
we
I
don't
go
talk
collect
about
am
them.
now.
We don't talk about them. He sent to me, I'll collect. But when you say, I know, I mean, one call yesterday, I don't get credit. I beg now. Only this no 1 minute remain. I beg. I won't call you. May you call me back?
Queen B, pay me pada.
Come
Emi
on.
o ní
no.
credit nísìn.
Okay, nothing's good
Well,
to check.
I hope so you enjoy. You
You
enjoy that video we will play for you from Aduni. Now one of her skits be that, and if you want to watch more, you go on top of our
You too.
YouTube page. Where be
Aduniade.
Aduni Ade at Aduni Ade.
YouTube,
Or on
no.
YouTube, it's just
Aduniade. There are two
Aduni
of them. They're both mine. There are two accounts on there.
Okay, 2 accounts of her own where you go to. And for Twitter,
I am Aduni Ade.
Instagram,
I am Aduni Ade.
Facebook.
Aduniade.
All right, from here we go throw you body kajad. What do we get for you? Like we talk, take care of yourself. And this one is a very cheap something. Let's watch. Come again today on top of body kajad. You know, say na Queen B, they always they bring you that thing where you want to know. You know, say we don't enter Christmas season, it gets some kind thing so go do to take cut budgets if you understand what's in the happen for we country. Well, today what's in I carry come be something where they very difficult, but now waiting you fit do and you and your family go enjoy the holiday very casually. What's in be that thing where they talk now watermelon. For the video where you they watch, so you go see say watermelon now be the main gadget to use for this one, and I tell you watermelon they everywhere. You fit buy them, you and your family one, and all of them go enjoy them. How you go take do 'em? Get watermelon, make sure say na the one way ripe. Remove the inside, put them inside blender, blend them, then you sieve them. The water, put them back inside. You fit get mineral, we get gas, but maybe the white one, just put them inside to take mix and get small lemon, just add inside, or get any bitter stuff where they take make juice, just drop inside. Why I no one call any name be say, I don't know the one way go sweet you to use. Just add them inside, mix and make it just get that sweet and sour and bitter taste. Add them inside the bowl of the watermelon, mix them well, make family enjoy them. But if not adults, I go advise you just to enjoy them with your friends in case when I want to do party and you want cut down budget. If you add small alcohol inside, just to make everything just the kajad. Today on top of Talk Talk, na Queen B bring you this one. All right, I hope so we don't make your party they very cheap for you, they very less expensive, and everybody go enjoy yourself. You go carry plenty of vitamins come out for the party where you go, because not be all the time we go take alcohol, take this and take that one. But in case you still want the alcohol inside the watermelon, you fit put them, but make sure the children no taste them.
Yeah.
True, exactly.
So start to prepare for your
But
Christmas.
I no go follow you verse, child. But because we know say today na Friday, so is it very possible say she go decide say she go do one for us on
Monday.
Saturday?
Okay, but
or
why the
Monday.
one wey una
So
chop
I no go follow. I no go follow her argue. She say I calm. So I know in the beginning I dey dance, I dey happy because I know say Queen B will be the queen, as she dey like hail herself of body
Queen of
casual.
yeah.
She go be queen, come do the. You go like drink am, abi?
Yeah.
You see, our guests said go like to drink am. So you go need to do for all of us to drink.
No problem, but we go gas to come up for studio because they know they eat for this kind of studio. So we shall move to the next location and go and shop.
Your kitchen.
Yeah. All right, you get any message?
Yeah, I just want to. I
pass for
want
us?
throw one thing. Come on.
Sing.
Guess what happen when we dey watch Aduni Ade skits?
Okay. What happened?
She no agree to watch the skits. She has no agree to look at herself as she is acting.
secret.
Àṣírí ẹ ti tú. Àṣírí ti tú. Money láti tú àṣírí ẹ.
Your ball,
Kí ló
Ilé
ṣẹlẹ̀?
tó ń fọ́ yóò báyìí. Kí ló dé?
Well, at least
Oh, it's a Friday. It's a Friday.
Elini Friday. Let's my head down. So what's happened now? Why you don't agree? As in, why your body day do you as you dey watch the?
Attempt no.
All right. Now you quench. You on the fire, they quench you. All right, so my people, now here we take the wrap today, or today's show up. And Aduniade, give us your Twitter handle, give us your Facebook and Instagram handle again.
Facebook Aduniade, Twitter and Instagram. I am Aduni. Aduni pẹ̀lú ẹnu méjì Ade, all one word. Thank you.
All right, from here, we the ladies of Talk Talk, we always talk am like this.
To talk, no be bad thing, but make you know wetin they talk about.
Oh, hallelujah!
Thank God it's Friday.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.